said, and even you are saying now, you also saying now, knowledge is the most important thing for your future. Okay, so this knowledge actually it has a power. Okay, knowledge is power. So knowledge is power. This means by knowledge you can do anything. If you want to be a political leader, then you can do what you know, politics. So by the politics, you to be a like minister, you to be a chief minister, prime minister, all that type of minister, actually those who has power and those who has knowledge, they only are achieving like this of type. What? Especially this is about the education or about the knowledge. Education, it is not such a thing in where in the college, university, maybe institution or schools. You don't think for learning the education you will get only in the institution, colleges or university. And if you are interested to learn the education or to learn something, then everywhere you will get. And I am asking you, like this of person, those who never went to school and colleges, but he has a greater knowledge. And like this of person, those who become a great man without going to school, like this of person's name, can you give example? This is a simple thing only. You know the Rabindranath Tagore. Do you know Rabindranath Tagore? Yes. Who is Rabindranath Tagore? Huh? Tell. Who is Rabindranath Tagore? Poet. A great poet. विश्व कवि रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ये बांग्ला में कहते हैं ना विश्व कवि माने पृथ्वी की कवि नहीं ओके सो दिस रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर एक्चुअली हिज एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन डू यू नो नो साइजमान तुम लोगों को मालूम है रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर का क्वालिफिकेशन कितना है ओनली क्लास 7 अप टू ओनली क्लास 7 अंडरस्टैंड ही यूज्ड टू गो school. He used to study in England, okay, but up to the class 7 only he studied. Then he left from the school. You know what these things? Do you know these things? Don't know. But now the poems, the story, so many are there. He has written, okay, like Gita. Gita, you know, Gita also written by him, okay. And this Gita is especially, what do you know this thing? Gita o tam siya tong sala na kanya man. The Gita ni o Gita o tam siya tong sala. Dharma ni kahini. Borokrok bom dike tong nai, bom dike sanai. Borok nu tomong bom ting na nang. Abo Gita o siya tong Gita boyo. Ebong bini boyno this means Rabindranath Tagore ni boyno se sengtau pori matong. Heaven bopos pori jaya. Ogus kana tabo bopos pori jaya heaven norok pori matong. This means what? I said this means now only the proof is there, no? O praman kariyo tabo. I said from the beginning till now I am saying what? The most important things for your life is the knowledge. You have to earn the knowledge, and for earning the knowledge you should do the education. This education is formality. Understand you? Formality, this means you got my point? But Baksa Borokni education grifan knowledge no. Borok puri only knowledge no bongke. But puri nahi geta. Example ngang Rabindranath Tagore saka. Tayo tong ngopti borok bongma. Puri nahi borok. Borok hain manu. Okay, so now I say actually जों जे एजुकेशन होनो खाय माने आबो जागोन मानो सुदि स्कुल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी फाइकेन एजुकेशन मानो आरो सिमिया जों एजुकेशन बा शिक्षा खाय माने जों नग रगबो सोलों नग means what you know नग साबो फोरों निन आमा सं निन बाबु सं निन दारा सं निन मनाय सं जेसबांगा जे कुनु बरकनो सब समयनो मास्टार होङै माया ओके मास्टार माने no who is the best master you know huh best master sabo huh your mother is the best master okay nina ama angke joto ni master kaham kintu hyper nina ama education kering kenor phungi maya understand you onno samuno phungi mano boje mamani abon bagino that's why the most important thing this is here you have to learn about mother means mother should be an educated man mane mother mane no bokroksa educated man nang nang bo sinai borok nang nang ka sinai hangka bin besar lo thangbai okay so not only we are learning from mother from outside also it is your internal matter from your home what your mother taught you this thing you learn okay but other side also now you are in school and except school also somewhere and sometimes when you went market from the market also sometimes there is something for learning there when you are roaming not only in the market not only nearby your house and sometimes if you going to out of the country or out of the states means this what means from except Tripura if you went to Shillong if you went to Delhi so that is called out of state okay engar rok thangin rok tam mani nai bui tongmani bui samani okay bui lekha pora khajak rok bai borok bai malai khangke nangaro bosur okay so education also these things like this only means nang sudu boy na pori khangke no onek kisum thane amtiya mane nang bui nuguibo bui tomong no nuguibo bui samong no nuguibo nang sereng mano je common sense gonang rok ka abno sereng common sense gring ga abno sereng ya haim thayo ara botanga tongsa nei okay realization and common sense is very important for your life je kono manai no sereng nani bagai nang abno important nang je kono manai no nuk khang ka au potike eng abno thinking khainang baksang kamti roni important ya ara ba bakhanyang ta nei no am thinking ya do and that's why I'm saying what mane जों सोलोंमानि जागा गोबां जागानो सोलोंमानो जत जागानो सोलोंमानो suppose बाक्साके परियो पटिके बय नाहारै परीक्षा आसुगुइ टेबिल आसुके आपरि सिबिन बय नमो कस्त मानो बयनि परानो आमति दिबा आतिया sometimes जे कोनो बरक रक्तां खायसायमान suppose if they have no time okay some of student like this only he is a very busy man and even sometimes he is a very poor man also and he himself only have to earn money for surviving okay and like that of person life how they can achieve or they will be an educated person like that of person how they become a great man so their study system is not like you their study system suppose you every day when in the morning and even in the evening maybe night okay you used to take a book and take a lesson from your book one lesson or one chapter you question answer going to get by heart okay when you will get the time and in the time only you used to study not like that okay so study is in everywhere and every time you can reach okay you can remember suppose always you have to carry a book always you have to carry a what you know papers mean what suppose your question answer maybe English maybe science or social science any of subjects okay any of question answer, if you cannot get by heart, okay, in time, then what you have to do, you have to put in your pocket one paper. Always the question answer you keep in your pocket. Then when you are playing and even sitting somewhere, you taking rest, that time also you can see this one. Understand you? Not a big question answer, no need. There is small question, means short question type. You can remember this thing. And where you will get like this opportunity, sometimes you went to market. Last time I said, in the market also, so many things you can learn from there also. Sometimes you will get a board. You have noticed a board, okay? In the market, so many boards are there, no? Like educational poster, maybe another poster from the government is putting on the wall, no? So there also something is there for learning there, but you are not giving importance. Poster is, what about poster is given, you are not caring, you are careless, you left it, that's why you cannot remember. Sung pori mani jo janna pori janai jaga tong manu war kaisa hannu khanga abono pori nai arono nung jeta pori mani abono nung kaisa mujnar ngono amake pori joto pora joto ekta chapter kau kono kaisa subject thake. Suppose you are studying social science, and that social science it is related with the science subject also. Do you know this thing? Suppose last time in the class 10 I taught you about the resource. Resource, resource means sampad. Sine manai property, no. And that property especially in the social science also there. Social science means in geography you will get you, and even it will get in the science also. Okay, resource means property. What is property? What about property? Like the property may be two kinds. Okay, one is natural property and another is natural property means natural resource. Property and resource same meaning. Okay, and another one is human resource. Human resource means what? Borokrokni simani. Most important. In Tripura especially, why we are now also our Tripura, now also why we are too much poor, because you have not much have the human resource. Do you understand this one? Human resource means Borokrokni simani. Sinara Tripura sarok simani komung mani bagai ganang ni maya. Do you believe this thing? You know what this thing? Yes or no? I am saying yes or no, that's why you are saying yes, but really it is saying in your, by your mind, I don't know. Huh? It is real fact. Due to the lack of educated person and lack of knowledgeable person, the Tripura people of Tripura, they are now also not much rich. Okay, they are most of the people, 90% of the people of Tripura are the what poor. No, jodong garibi ada. Oh, garibi mani kulo karan abu no. This is especially lack of knowledge. Human resource no above. Understand you? So that human resource is very important. That's why we need to do. Everybody in your life have to give the importance to get knowledge, and that knowledge you will get from the educational. Understand?